Today we're reading a story about walls. Walls are really important. They keep the roofs on our houses and they keep us protected from the elements and the weather. In the medieval era, castles had walls to keep themselves safe as well. In our story, A Wall in the Middle of a Book by John Agee, this little medieval soldier learns sometimes walls aren't always what they seem.
The Wall in the Middle of the Book by John Agee. There is a wall in the middle of this book, and it is a good thing. The wall protects this side of the book from the other side of the book. This side of the book is safe. The other side is not. But the most dangerous thing on the other side of the book is the ogre. If the ogre ever caught me, he'd eat me up. That's why I'm glad there's a wall in the middle of the book, and I'm on this side of it. Wait a second. What's going on? This is not supposed to happen on this side of the wall. Wow! Thank you so much. Oh no! I'm on the other side of the book! And you're the ogre who's going to eat me up! I'm actually a nice ogre, and this side of the book is fantastic! Come on, I'll show you around! Hey, ogre, wait for me!
The end. I think the knight learned a lot in this story. Look at all the friends he made just by crossing over the wall. Sometimes in our lives, walls aren't real walls. They're in our hearts. You see, fear can cause us to build a wall. But when you get over your fear, you get to make a lot of great friends. Just like the knight in our story. So, I challenge you. Challenge a fear, climb over a wall, and make a lot of great friends. Keep reading, and until next time, have a good day.